How long does it take to do an estate plan? Good question. We get this a lot. And the answer is, it depends. Terrible lawyer answer. And I understand that. Generally, with an estate plan, we're going to have a 1-hour consultation, maybe a little longer, where we talk about everything that's relevant and important for that plan. Then we're going to need information from you. So the more prepared you are, the earlier it is for you to get put into our drafting cycle. If you come in and you have everybody's names, addresses, phone numbers, all the emails that we need to be able to fulfill the roles of the plan, then that's something that gets pushed through and we move a lot faster on that. If you need more time to think and consider, you haven't quite, during the consult, we uncover some things that you hadn't really thought about. There's no pressure for us to move it as quickly as we can. You can take time to go home and consider, think about that, and come back to us. Generally, once we get all of the paperwork, we can turn a plan around in less than 2 weeks to have you come in to sign. However, we do get backed up around the holidays. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer, but I try not to go any longer than 4 weeks in terms of when we receive your information and when drafts can come out to you. Now, that being said, if you do want to skip the line, if you want to make sure that you're first in line, you've got 4 days to get this done, you're going on a vacation, you're leaving town for 6 months, you want to make sure this is done before you go, you can absolutely do that. We will turn the plan around faster, but we actually ask you to pay for that convenience because you're budging the line in front of other people who have opted to wait a little longer. This is something that every attorney's office is a little bit different. Plans can take as long as 6 months to create. They can take as little as 2 days to create. And it truly is dependent on you and your plan specifically.